We always fight over clothes, but actually it's become less than it was before. When we were younger, we'd really fight over clothes, and I remember there was one point I took her top, and then I was in my room and I locked my door because she wanted to wear that top, and I didn't let her take it, and we just really fight over clothes. But now I think because we're old, we like sharing our things more, so we've gotten over that.
Okay, thank you so much. That answered my questions.
Can we have the mic here?
खुशी सुशील मेरा नाम है। एक एक्साइटिंग न्यूज़ आपके लिए। लगभग 21-22 साल पहले आपकी मामा से हमारा परिवार मिला था। तो बेटा तुषार जो 10 साल का था, उसने उनका ऑटोग्राफ लिया था। तो मैं भी दिखाऊंगा, मैं आपको, मैं लेकर आया हूँ उसको। थैंक यू।
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Hello, guys. So, I'm Anusha Kirk. I'm a journalism student. So, ma'am, yours and Chandni ma'am's reels of, trying weird food combos have been very viral, like idli, curry, and all. So, can you tell us more about that?
My sister's actually a huge foodie, and she's always just been feeding me since I was young. I was just kind of the guinea pig in the house. So whenever, during COVID though especially, I gained so much weight because she'd just go in the kitchen and mix all the ingredients and put it in my mouth. So she's just a huge foodie and she loves food and feeding people. So she comes up with some interesting combinations.
Okay. Also, do you guys have tattoos?
Yeah, do we? I don't remember.
Like tattoo?
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Okay,
Sorry, I
okay.
have so many. I keep
Okay.
forgetting now which one is where.
Okay. So
I
do you
have
have
I have one matching one with Janvi. I have one matching one with Anshula, and I have one that I got for Anshula's birthday. That's from a letter she wrote to me.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Do we have more questions? Can we get them?
Hi, Khushi. Hi, Jeanette. First of all, congratulations for your film.
Thank you.
So, I'm Kanishka Bhatt, and I just want to know how was your experience on the first day on set? Like, how was your experience? Were you nervous, excited? How was your experience overall on first day of set?
Of this film? Or in life?
When you first
Oh,
of all, when
huh.
you went for the
In
on
life.
set.
In like our first
Yeah.
film.
Yes.
Yeah. First day on set. Well, Maharaj's first day of set, they had scheduled me to be crying and breaking down. When I come back from the Haveli and I go into my room and I'm crying. That they had scheduled on the first day, in the evening. So, so I was like, Sid sir, please, can we start off? He's like, no, we location ke hisab se we have to do it. So the rest of the day till 4 o'clock till we had to do that went very smoothly because I was just, my mind was over there. So the rest of the day was very, very comfortable, very, very easy. We shot some 3 other scenes and it was great fun. And then we had to shoot that scene.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And you did a good job doing it also. I'm not asking, I'm telling you.
No,
And Khushi,
I think
how
it was cut well, that scene.
And thank you, Jeanette. And how was your first day? How was your experience on your first day of set?
It was different to Junaid's experience. I didn't have to cry. I had to put a cycle on a cycle stand.
Oh.
So, I think only Agastya and I were shooting on the first day for Archie's. And I think because all of us were so excited, the rest of the cast still came to set. And they were sitting behind the monitor. And Zoya told me, okay, so it's your first day. You don't have any dialogues. You just have to look at Archie, take your cycle, put it on the cycle stand. But in case you get nervous, I'm making a line of sandbags so you understand what path you need to go in. So I said, okay, took my cycle, put it on the stand, did the take, and then everyone came, hugged me, and started clapping, saying, wow, you put the cycle on the stand.
That's wonderful. Thank you.
One last question.
Hello, I'm Alaksha. I'm also a journalism student.
Can you stand up? Oh, okay.
Hi. Hello. I'm not invisible. Hi. Okay, so my question is, I'm also a journalism student. So my question is, how do you think your film is going to resonate with our generation? Because you see that some of the people have started to troll you on the Instagram, through reels, some are going to love your film, or some are going to be some nascent audience. How do you think your film is going to resonate with our generation?
You want to go? No, I feel, the language of love has changed. And I think Advait sir has done a fantastic job in communicating that in our film. And I feel that will resonate with young people, but also with slightly older people.
Yeah.
Who have seen it already when they were younger, in a different form, but have seen it when they were younger in a different form. So yeah, I think that it's a different way of telling the story, and I mean, we are hoping that that'll resonate with young people as well.
And I think the reels are so funny. They're really funny. Because Junaid and I
The
are
reels
not,
are really
we're
funny.
not dancers. As you could see, probably. But I
No, but
do.
you're still good, huh?
No.
Yeah, you're very good.
We're not dancers, but I do believe that we've made a good film.
Yeah.
And when it comes to whether it's relevant or not, I think it really talks about the issues that our generation faces with technology when it comes to our relationships. Because I feel like although the phone was made to make communication easier, I think in fact it's made it harder because there's so many more obstacles people go through because of it. There's so many weird gray areas and there's so many things on social media that kind of come in the way of relationships and you don't even realize it. So I think in our film we've kind of tried to get it all together without making it seem like a very strong, messagey kind of movie. I think it's very light-hearted. It's a really enjoyable watch. It's funny, it's emotional, it has some drama. So there's all the aspects of a film that you really want to watch. And at the same time, it makes it relatable for people our age because I feel like it brings out the topics that need to be talked about.